The first, and I think most significant challenge and task for the United States is actually to put its own house in order, to try to rebuild a sense of national unity, consensus about what the role of the United States should be in the world, and how we should conduct our foreign policy going forward. The United States also needs to deal with this political disarray, overcome the polarization in our society, to build up our educational system so that the United States can maintain its technological edge in the years ahead. And that also means that the United States is going to have to maintain very close contacts with those other centers of technological innovation across the globe that foster even greater creativity among the world's scientists. So there is a major domestic challenge that lies before the United States. When we think about the global environment, as I said, the United States is not going to be in a position to dominate the world as it once did. We can talk about a US-led international order, but increasingly, if there's going to be an international order, it's going to have to be an order that is led by the United States and many, many other countries. In a multipolar environment, such as the one that we have today, the challenge for the United States is to build a global equilibrium among the major powers, the middle range powers, that is favorable to the advance of American interests and values around the globe. And what that means is that the United States, at a minimum, is going to have functioning and one would hope constructive relations with all the other major global powers. That includes China, that includes Europe, that includes India, that includes Japan, and that, I would argue, includes Russia as well.